Now this is CalorieMate. Gotta love Japanese marketing. There's another product I love called Pocari Sweat. I don't want to drink the sweat of Mr. Pocari, nor do I want a chunk of calories in my snack, but hey, it works here. So CalorieMate, basically, if I had to describe it, I would say it's a cookie that's been injected with vitamins. That's what it is for me. And I always carry at least one of these around with me. They come in this pack of 4 biscuits, 2 in one package here. Let me pull them out. And generally speaking, I'll carry one of these around in my bag. And of course, you can see these are very packed, so they last quite a while. The expiry date's written on them. They do very much look like shortbread cookies. Look at that. Looks like a classic shortbread cookie. But they are not. These are more of your moist sort of cookies. They have, they do have that nutrition bar taste, but they are far from unpalatable. I quite like them. So in the whole entire package here of 4 little bars, there's an abundance of different vitamins, so lots of B's and C, D, E, and also you have your macros here. And the claim at the top here is that this is a balanced food snack. If I'm on the go and I know I can't eat something proper, then these are a nice option. Let's have a taste. And I haven't eaten yet today, so this hits the spot really well. Yeah, CalorieMate. Recommend.